Social entrepreneurs are driven less by the pursuit of material success and more by personally participating to solve societal challenges. While their companies differ considerably in their business models and legal forms, the founders have one thing in common. They created enterprises out of a personal motivation to solve societal problems through the market economy. Social entrepreneurs often hold a personal connection to the particular societal challenge they want to solve.
For Jakob, an IT consultant, this inspiration came after his daughter was diagnosed with an autism spectrum disorder, ASD. As he became more familiar with the disorder, he observed that people with an ASD have great difficulties accessing the labour market, even though they often have special talents prized by some businesses.
On a personal level, it's essential to reflect on one's own suitability for entrepreneurship. Like all potential entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs must determine whether they're willing to take responsibility and possess the necessary self-organization, enthusiasm, and resilience needed to lead a company. In developing a social entrepreneurial mindset, people who are appropriately inspired and motivated are not on their own. They may be able to rely on a variety of actors who provide guidance on how to enter the world of social entrepreneurship. This module includes expert interviews detailing the types of support available to new entrepreneurs. Also, social entrepreneurship is rarely a lone endeavor. Many successful social businesses are team ventures, with the various founders contributing complementary strengths. Individually, these entrepreneurs might struggle, but together they're able to succeed.